Fatima and Allison are just the most amazing instructors because they are so loving and caring and compassionate and knowledgeable. They have helped to put me at ease. Therefore, I'm able to understand more and feel more confident in what I'm learning, and I'm going to be able to apply it rightly.
To the trainers today, they packed a lot of material into a very short time, and I have a much firmer understanding now of what's required for farmers to put together a farm plan that would contain all the elements of food safety as wanted by FSMA. I also got a lot of homework to do, so I'm really glad that the book that we get has a lot of resources for us, references for us to go and do some further work.
I just want to say thanks to Ms. Fatima Allison, Ms. Emily back there, and you two yourself for coming out this Saturday, to educate us on produce safety and so forth. I just appreciate it.
Yeah, they was great instructors, very great instructors. Taught us well.
I would like to say this is my first chance to do something like this, and I want to thank you, Ms. C, for inviting me to come over. I had no idea that all of this was involved in selling the produce.
I tried to attend all these conferences, and I learn something every time I come. And I take it back and put it to practice, and it comes in handy. We need to learn to work smart instead of hard. And this is a way of doing that.
I learned today, it was a good lesson learned on all that the instructors went over. They went through it very eloquently so we can understand it, and gave us a chance to ask about what we had problems with. It was a good sort of get together.